Welcome to 1126 West Knickerbocker Drive here in Sunnyvale. This is in the Cherry Chase neighborhood as well. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 1285 square feet, sitting on a 6,000 square foot lot, listed for $1,799,000, and it is listed by Rabia Alizai of Compass. Let's start by taking a tour of the exterior first. You have the nice brick on wood two-tone design here. Big front yard. This is on Knickerbocker. There's a bunch of homes here on this street that have currently gone renovations and remodeling. You can see one there across the street. As a matter of fact, this one here as well was just recently renovated. Let's take a quick peek at the neighborhood. This is walking distance to Cherry Chase Elementary, a short drive from downtown Sunnyvale. Let's take a peek inside. So upon entering, we are greeted by this humongous living room / dining room area. We have this nice plush carpet here. Nice crown molding all throughout the perimeter. Built-in speakers. Let's come on into the kitchen area. You have another nice little designated area here for this perfectly sized round table here. This door leads into your 2-car garage. You do see upgraded shutters throughout the home. You have your washer and dryer here in the garage with a nice little sink here. And your water heater and HVAC unit. You do get hardwood flooring. Very early 2000s kitchen cabinets with the countertop combo. This was very popular in the early 2000s. These brown colors. White Whirlpool fridge with the matching oven, range, and all white appliances, as you can see. 4-burner gas stove, white sink, white faucet. Let's make our way over to this side of the house. Again, you guys can see the crown molding all throughout the home. This is your first bathroom. Take a look at the shower stall. Built-in dual cubbies and some more storage for your shampoos. You do get some more storage here behind the door. It's pretty deep, as you guys can see, for all your kitchen towels. Sorry, bathroom towels. Let's see, another nice walk-in closet here in the hallway. Let's turn on the light. Looks Looks like access to the crawl space. Which leads us into bedroom number 1. Again, plush carpets throughout the home. Here goes your closet. And shutters on all windows. This bedroom does overlook the front of the property, overlooking the main street. And let's move on to bedroom number 2. Decent sized shutters again, window overlooking the backyard, closet area on this side. And bedroom number 3. This one is the smaller of the 3 bedrooms. Nice huge window, lots of natural light, overlooking the backyard as well. Let's take a look at the closet. Crown molding in here as well. You have your attic access in the hallway here. Some more storage. Coat closet here. Now let's check out the living room. You have your wood fireplace on this side here. Great size for bigger dining table. You can put some stools here. Serves like a little bar area. You can easily fit about three stools right here. Again, crown molding along the whole perimeter, built-in speakers. Sliding Anderson doors leading into the backyard. Let's check out the backyard. You have your gas meter over on this side. Door to access the garage. Nice Weber grill here. This is honestly a great backyard. Lots of plants. Lots of mature trees, palm trees. Great backyard to host barbecues. Let the dogs run around here on this grassy patch. You have your electric meter and panel outside right here. Looks like some irrigation controls. Bright red. Little storage area for all your gardening equipment and tools. Looks like a little water fountain feature here. Let's check out this side of the home. Got your low voltage communication box here. Looks like another storage compartment. There's letters in there. And your AC unit. Looks like a York LX series. Dual access, so you do have access to your front yard from both sides. Sometimes you only get access from one side. One has a door that you can actually open and the other side is fixed, but on this one both have that access to the front of the house. Hi. Yes.